Hello, welcome to netvn channel. In this video I show you how to turn a laptop into a monitor. Here I have a desktop without a monitor. I use one HDMI cable to connect between my desktop and laptop. Next I need the help of an HDMI Capture device that uses a USB port. This device helps to convert from HDMI to USB. You need to make sure the laptop has detected the HDMI to USB converter. You will find it as a USB video device. Next is the software that helps capture video from the desktop. Here I use OBS Studio software, a software commonly used for video streaming. On OBS Studio software I add a new video source. The video source here is USB video. Next I set the frame to always fit a laptop screen. You just need to set it up like that. Next you check if it works. I power on the desktop and check the results. Now my laptop has become my desktop monitor. Next I just connect the keyboard and mouse to the desktop. Good luck, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.